Puberty and our genes. Puberty is a time when our bodies go through many changes as we grow from children into adults. But have you ever wondered what causes these changes? Our genes are like a set of instructions for our bodies. They determine things like our hair colour, eye colour, and even our likelihood of getting certain illnesses. These instructions are stored in the nucleus of every cell in our bodies. Our genes are organised into chromosomes. You can think of a chromosome as a collection of genes that do similar things, much like a set of recipes that make up a cookbook. Most of us have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and under normal circumstances, half of these come from our mom and the other half come from our dad. Together, they make up our unique genetic blueprint. At the centre of these instructions is a special chemical called DNA. Short for deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA is a substance that holds all our genetic information. You can think of it like the paper our instructions are written on. So why is this important during puberty? The changes our bodies go through during puberty are guided by the instructions in our genes. These instructions also determine our biological sex. This means whether we are born male or female. For example, if we have XX chromosomes, that means we're biologically female, while having XY chromosomes means we're biologically male. These chromosomes contain the recipes for growing up as a man or a woman. It's important to note that a person's biological sex doesn't always match the way a person wants to be seen or treated by society. These instructions are not influenced by our likes or dislikes, or any personal preferences we may have about the way we want to be seen by the world. Our genes are also unaffected by any stereotypical ideas we may have about what a man or a woman should be like. While factors like being healthy and eating well are important when it comes to puberty, our genes are the main driving force behind the changes that happen in our bodies. As long as we're healthy and eating right, our bodies will follow the instructions set out in our genes. This also helps to explain why puberty happens differently for everyone. What's normal for one person might not be for another. That's because our genes decide when and how we develop. Understanding how our genes affect puberty helps us to see how different people grow in their own way. So let's accept who we are, celebrate what makes us special, and know that puberty is just a natural part of growing up.